Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you have purchased a Seagate hard drive and it's fairly new, you might want to check out something. So I will share the link to an article from Ghacks, and it's going to be interesting for you to probably look at the data coming out of this. So apparently, a German technology company might be suggesting that some Seagate customers have purchased new hard drives, but that were used for tens of thousands of hours. Some are like 3 years old in the way they work. And what happened is a lot of people that bought these drives were kind of wondering why they would fail so fast. So one of the brands that is actually seems to be affected the most is the Exos hard drives from Seagate. So the problem is, as they're saying in the article, once again, I'll share this because it has tools to check it out, is that the smart installation, what is actually supposed to give you details of the hard drive's operation, seem to be normal. They don't seem to be showing any thing out of the ordinary and time usage and so on. But there's something more to it. There's something that instead of the smart values, they call the farm values of the drives. These, okay, there's a download server here where you can click and get the latest tool, and you need the version 7.4. And then you've got some commands that you can actually do, which are here. It will create a log file, and what you want to search in that log file is the power on hours in the log file. This will tell you how long it's been running. So you can also try with the CTools application, which Seagate has, but remember that they are Seagate tools. If, of course, you did purchase a drive and it is way older than it's supposed to, return it as fast as you can, and do mention that you're getting an old hard drive. It's crazy. So we're not sure exactly where this comes from. Apparently, it shows up on any, not just, buying it on Amazon, buying it on different websites. It also is showing up on stores that are actually official stores that Seagate will tell you to buy from. So this is crazy, honestly. If it is true, where does it come from? Is it from Seagate directly? Is there somebody somewhere that kind of gets old drives and kind of recycles them in a way that, selling as new? But be wary of that. So the full article and the details are here in the description below. Just click the link. This is absolutely unacceptable. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.